Imagine a scenario where a new virus emerges. It doesn't just cause a cough or a fever. It attacks the brain. It causes seizures, personality changes, and within 48 hours sends patients into a deep coma. Now imagine that for every 4 people who catch this virus, 3 of them die. We aren't talking about a 1% mortality rate like we saw with the early strains of CO-19. We are talking about a mortality rate that ranges from 40% to 75%. This is not the plot of a Hollywood disaster movie. This is the reality of the Nipah virus. It is real. It is currently circulating in parts of Asia, and the World Health Organization has listed it as one of the top priority pathogens that could cause the next global pandemic. The world has been so focused on respiratory viruses that we have largely ignored the neuroinvasive threat waiting in the wings. Today we are going to break down exactly what Nipah is, how it jumps from bats to humans, why it is so incredibly deadly, and what we need to do to stop it from becoming a global catastrophe. Before we unlock the biology of this terrifying virus and discuss the reality of the threat, I have a small but important request. We are dedicated to bringing you raw, unfiltered, and scientifically accurate medical information that the mainstream media often glosses over. To help us keep doing this work and spreading vital awareness, please hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on the notification bell so you are alerted the moment we release a new briefing. And please like this video and share it with everyone you know. Knowledge is our... They developed high fevers, but unlike the flu, they became aggressive, confused, and unable to balance. Then the seizures started. Initially, doctors thought it was Japanese encephalitis, a mosquito-borne disease common in the region. They sprayed for mosquitoes, but the cases kept rising. It wasn't until a diligent researcher looked at the tissue samples under a microscope and realized this was something entirely new. It wasn't coming from mosquitoes, it was coming from the pigs. But the pigs were just the vessels. The true source was the flying fox, a massive fruit bat that carries the virus without getting sick. Within 24 to 48 hours of these neurological signs appearing, a large percentage of patients slip into a coma. The brain is swelling against the skull, causing massive damage. But the horror of Nipah doesn't end even if you survive the acute phase. We have documented cases of relapsing encephalitis. This means a patient can recover, go home, live their life, and then months or